Welcome to Smartboard Basics. Let's begin by just getting to know a few of the tools that are up at the top. So the first tool that we're going to start with is the pointer, right up here. So this is the tool that you'll use when you want to grab something or click on something. Next to it you have a pen. So a pen allows you to draw on the text. So let's just write smart. Please disregard my messiness. I'm not a great freehand writer. So we're just going to attempt to write smart. Okay, so that's how you would use the ink pen function. Next, let's experiment with the creative pen right next to it. Let's see how this one looks. Now we're going to once again write the same thing, smart. So it comes out looking a little bit more like a graffiti. Okay, see? A little different, just bigger text. We also have an eraser button that's next to it. Allows you to wipe out text that you don't want to keep. Next you have a line button. This can put lines through areas for you. Next we have the shapes button. You can click on it to insert shapes. And then we have the font button. You can change the text, you can change the size, the color, the style. And then a few other things up there, and I would like to encourage each of you to take some time and get to know your toolbar. Now let's just say we're ready to move on, so we want to get rid of everything that's up here. So we're going to right click, and we're going to hit clear, and everything that we had before is gone. Let's begin by just setting up our page. So we're going to go to format, then we're going to go down to the area of background color. Let's set a color. For this one, let's just go with a very light shade of blue. This is now our background for the first slide presentation. If you'd like to add a picture or other images, we're going to go over to the left, click on the gallery. We're going to go down to Essentials for Educators. And then down below you see it has pictures, has interactive or multimedia items, lesson activities, and notebook files. We're going to go to pictures and other things. Let's insert the crash by double clicking on it, and now you see it has shown up in the picture on the slide. Okay, to resize your image you're going to grab onto the little white handle at the bottom and you can pull downward. It's going to make it bigger. So that's how you insert an image. In the next presentation we'll also discuss how to insert sound. But here we go for this presentation. If you'd like to insert text into the screen, you would just merely double click on the area. If you have the text tool open. Since we don't have the text tool already open, we've now clicked on the text. You see that now we have the mouse has turned into a little area for forming your text. You're going to hold down your left mouse button. You're going to stretch out the mouse as far as you want your box to go. Release. That is now a text box. We're going to call this crash scene. Okay, as you can see, we can change text, size, colors, bold, non-bold, and we're going to click somewhere else and now the word has shown up. This is a follow-up to what you learned in class, so these are just the extra tools that you need. Please take some time, get to know the Smart Notebook software, experiment a bit. I would like you to make a presentation that has at least 3 slides and has 1 image, has at least 1 text box, and has at least 1 line or shape. Okay, thank you so much, and I will see you in our next presentation.